Hello, Garcia family. I need your help with a document on checking student iPads. So you're going to receive this link in an email, and I'm just going to walk you through exactly what I need you to do in order to fill it out and send it back to me. So when you receive this link, you're going to click the link, and it's going to open up and ask you, would you like to copy this document? And then we're going to say, make a copy. So this gives you a copy of this document. So at the top, the first thing I want you to do is click up here where the name is. It says copy of student iPads, and I want you to change it to your name. So I'm going to just put my name in that box. And then from here, list all the students. Does your student have an iPad? Yes or no? Does the student have an Apple charger? Now, in the email that you're going to receive with the link in it, there's also going to be some pictures of what is and is not an Apple charger. All students received an original manufacturer Apple charger when they received their iPad. We want to know if they have that. So we need them to bring it to school. So does a student have an Apple charger? Now this consists of the cord and the brick. So for instance, if they have the right cord but they don't have the right brick, we're going to say right cord, wrong brick. And please refer to the pictures in the email that come in a separate file so you can see what is and is not. And then list any damage. So if the student has, well, let me go back. So we're going to put the student name here. Does the student have an iPad? Yes. Does the student have an Apple charger? Right cord, wrong brick. And then list any damage if there is any. If you see any screen breaks, or if there's a headphone jack stuck in the port, or if the power button doesn't work, or if the home button doesn't work, list that here. So after you have filled this out for your students, and we do need to know if every student has this, just list it here, and then you're going to share it back with me. So I want you to click on the share button here, and then see it's already shared with me. But what you would do, because this is my document, you would type in here, you would type my name. I don't know why it's not typed. There we go. See, well, that's my personal email. So, but you would share it back with me, which would be laura.christie@gpisd.org, this email address right here, and you'll share it back. And where it says viewer, I want you to change it to editor so that I can edit the document to find out what's going on with each student. And then you click done, and it will email me a copy of that file. So if everyone can help us out with that, I would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much.